Hey guys, what's up? We're back with another video of KTV Cars, and today we're actually gonna be working on a car that y'all don't really know of, the Kia Stinger, and then we're also gonna be doing a little bit on the E36. So we're gonna go ahead and install, I need to introduce you guys to TJ and everybody. I'll do that this video in a minute. We're installing his new badge right here. So we took the ugly Kia one off, which I kicked it over there somewhere. But, so yeah, we have the new carbon fiber Stinger badge. He's got the Ricer wing and then the Ricer diffuser. So we're gonna have to fit this up, drill. This is gonna be new. It's gonna be fun. So hopefully we don't mess up, but yeah, I hope we don't. Yeah, I hope we don't. Anyway, he can't get this glue off. Oh, he's very inexperienced.
You already tried the Goo Goo Gone shit?
No, Goo Goo Gone? Is that what you just said?
Yeah, that's
everyone meet Danny, bro. Y'all have heard him in the back. Y'all have heard him in the back of the video, or a couple videos ago. He was in the black Mustang. Anyways, guys, so on the E36, what I said we do last video is what we're gonna do this video, if that makes sense. Anyway, so last video, we got the inner fenders all complete. We also painted the intake that Max is working on. What else did we do last video? Oh, we put the front bumper back together, everything like that. I dropped my wheels off next door to warehouse neighbor, and he's sanding the wheels down. He actually, that's what he does for a living, to sand spoilers. So I'm letting him sand the wheels because I've never sanded before, and I really don't want to mess anything up. So yeah, one thing I do want to do though is start this car, because it hasn't been starting like a week. I don't even know how long I had it, but it hasn't been starting in a while. Probably about a week or two. So yeah, let's get a cold start on it, like super cold start, and then we can do one for the F80 as well, because that hasn't been starting in a couple days, and it's been pretty cold outside, so let's get those. Another big thing on this car that I have to do is the clutch. I ordered it Saturday and today's Tuesday, so it should be here pretty soon. They said it'd be here in a couple days, so hopefully by the end of this week the clutch will be in the car, the wheels will be painted, and this car will be on the road. But let's get a cold start real quick for the boys. Whew. It's not loud, but it's like a perfect tone. It sounds so good. I want to do this cold start though. This is a whole nother level. Max?
Yes.
Started.
Yeah, valves open.
Always valves open.
I don't know how to open them, is what I'm saying.
No, they're already open.
Oh, okay.
Gosh. So we got to put on this Emblem, and then we'll start getting on the diffuser, and then we'll get a little bit done on the E36. Okay, so basically we ran into a little pause because we found the drill, but we have to charge it. So we're gonna wait for that to charge up a little bit, but while we're doing that, we're gonna go ahead and replace the Emblem on the E36. I know it's pretty easy, but we're just gonna record it anyway. So yeah, we did the Stinger badge, and it looks super good. It looks way better than the Kia badge. Kind of want to find out. I knew I kicked it over here somewhere. It's right there. Hold on, let me get this.
Honestly, we can break it.
This compared to that is crazy.
Oh, yeah.
Thumbnail? Thumbnail? Right here? I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. But let's go ahead and get this Emblem replaced on this one. We're gonna...
Looks like it fits.
Perfect. Oh, wait, I forgot it has these. Oh, well. Fuck.
A 3 times.
Oh, I'm gonna be very honest. Very honest. I don't know how to get this thing out. So it really looks like it just sticks in. So I think I'm just gonna have to pry it out, but I don't know what with, because I don't have any plastic ones. Scratch my car, we're having problems.
So now you just gotta figure out how you get it there.
Yeah, put it under.
The blade.
Yeah. Got it. Almost.
That's
it.
around.
Yeah, I think you're good. I think you can just, yeah. Cool. Boom, got it. Should we clean that area? Okay, let's go and clean that real quick. Good job, Max.
Imagine. Yeah, I'm gonna get that one. Looks pretty tight to me.
Oh yeah. New badge, baby. Got the first markings.
Except we wish we had something a little bigger than that. Hold on real quick.
Okay, hold on. Anyway, so we're gonna drill. I forgot we have this machine. So we're actually gonna drill this baby. Go ahead and mark the spots. We fitted everything. It's gonna fit up pretty nice. We're just marking everything right now. to be able to screw it up in the diffuser, and then this should be on. So we're actually making a move on now. So I mean, yeah, I think this is gonna look really good. I'm excited to show you all the finished product of this because, yeah, I think it's gonna look pretty good. At first I thought it was gonna look kind of rice, but seeing photos with it, and especially with the new deck lid he's about to get, it's gonna be crazy. So basically he's replacing this spoiler and this whole deck lid with the carbon fiber one. Wait, TJ,
Yeah.
if you're gonna deck lid, why do we put the badge on?
No, it's not like it just goes on the top.
Oh, it just goes on the, okay,
Yeah,
cool.
So that's still gonna be white, but this is gonna be full carbon.
Yeah.
Going into it.
That's gonna be clean.
Yeah.
That's definitely gonna be clean. I'm excited. When are you getting that? When are we gonna sell that?
Probably in like the next 2 or 3 weeks. Coming up soon.
It's gonna look way better than this.
Oh yeah, this piece of POS.
Yeah, honestly. We need to wrap the chrome right here, and then we need to put a good front lip on it with some skirts.
Oh yeah.
Because you're gonna have that fat diffuser, you need some side skirts then, and a front lip. And then we need to make these. I had an idea. So he has some niche wheels on here, and I was saying make these white, and then make it the tip of the diffuser, like.
Oh, the linings of it.
Yeah, make the lining of it white so it matches, and then do that through a side skirt and a front split. That looks so cool. And then tint the lights. Yeah, and some airlift. Yes, for sure. Do it. The bam.
Bam, bam, bam.
Oh,
And then
see
you
that?
just drill there.
All right, the bam.
Are you mind moving? Okay, my way.
You scratched it. Nice.
Thanks.
No one's gonna notice. Oh yeah.
Full marked. And then we drill right there.
Okay.
And you just push this. And that is a perfect drill.
That's a perfect drill. Look at that, TJ.
Yes, sir.
Perfect drill. Yeah, so there's no instructions with this. They're getting the sides on now. Max just finished drilling the holes, and it's looking like it's lining up. It's going good. So after we get these drills in, we kind of lined it up, or after they get these bolts in, screws in, whatever you want to call them, we're gonna put this up and then mark it, drill the holes, and then put it up, and we should be completely done with this. So it's gonna look really nice. All right, so we got all the both sides even and tightened down, and it actually lines up perfect on the corners. So we're actually lifting this up and preparing to drill holes in this. And yeah, we'll have it secure. It's literally perfect. We did notice this side is just creeping out a little bit. It just needs to be pushed in. So he's actually loosening that right now. While Danny's doing the same thing on this side, or getting the bolts out so we're able to put these screws in. So if you're wondering how we did this, if you've ordered this before from Aero Designs, right? Is that what it is? Street Aero, okay. So if you ordered it, they usually don't come with instructions, or they didn't for this diffuser. So basically, we just took all of the clips and bolts underneath the car and just replaced them with the screw. We just used those holes. We actually didn't drill in the actual diffuser. We just stuck with the OEM holes, and it's actually holding very well. It's pretty simple, honestly. We're kind of first timers with this as well, and we're doing it. So y'all should really be able to do it yourselves at home instead of paying a performance shop to do it. So yeah. Turns out we can't actually line up these holes, so we're just gonna go ahead and make the holes ourselves. So we're gonna put these bolts and clips back in just so it can hold, but it can hold the exhaust again. And then we're just gonna make our own holes right here, and then we should be good to go on this. And that literally worked perfectly. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. It is done. Let's get a cold start though. Doesn't sound that bad. Another look at his Stinger. Got the niche wheels, lowering springs. So now he needs the side skirts and the front lip, like I've been saying. It's looking good though. So if anyone's wondering the exhaust, he does have an X pipe and countless downpipes, and it sounds really good. You hear the turbo spool so well. We're gonna wrap it up today. I'll be out here tomorrow, and we'll start working on the M3 a little bit more, and probably get it completely done. So yeah.